Hi children, my dear first and second class children. Children, have you ever seen kite flying? Have you ever seen kite flying? Yes. Okay, can you make it fly in a room? Is it possible to fly a kite in a room? No. Why? There is no air inside the room. Okay, can you ride a bicycle, children? Yes. Can you ride a bicycle? Yes. How can it move? It can move with the help of tire. Can you tell what is there inside the tire? What is there inside the tire? Yes, there is air inside the tire. Okay, can you play with football? Yes. How can you kick the football? With your leg. What is there inside your ball? Yes, there is a air. Okay, can you guess today what I am going to explain? What we are going to discuss? Yes, about the air. Today I am going to explain about the air. So what are these? These are balloons. These are balloons. Can you guess what is there inside the balloon? Yes, you are right. There is air inside the balloon. Okay, children. Yes, I am going to explain about the air. So, where is the air? What is the air? Yes, air is a gas. Air is a gas. Okay, so see here, our earth is, what is the name of our, yes, our planet? Our planet name is earth. Okay, so our earth is surrounded by a one layer of gas that is called atmosphere. So air is a gas. Air is all around us. All around us. Air is everywhere. Can you see the air, children? Okay, what is there inside the balloon? Air. Okay, can you see the air inside the balloon? No. Why can't we see the air inside the balloon? It has no color. So air is everywhere. Air is all around us. But we cannot see the air. Okay, can you see the air inside the balloon? No, we cannot see the air. Why? Because it has no color. It has no color, no smell and no odor and no taste. Okay, it has no shape. Okay, so air is everywhere. Air is all around us, but it is very important. It is one of the basic need, no children. Continuously we need air. Why do we need air? For breathing. Come on, hold your nose with your nose. Hold your nose. Hold your nostrils like this. Can you feel comfortable? No, we can't. Why? Why we need air for breathing. We feel uncomfortable when we hold the nostrils like this. Why? Because we continuously need air for breathing. What do we need for breathing? What do you need for breathing? You need air for breathing. All living organisms need air for breathing, isn't it? Okay, does your pet dog need air? Yes. Okay, are all plants need air? Yes. Plants too, living things like us, no? Yes, they too need air. Does it need air? No, it has no air. It has no air. Why? Because it is a non-living thing. It is a non-living thing. Okay, na? So, does your okay, already know that all birds, insects, animals also need air for breathing. Otherwise, they too die. Okay. So, all living things need air continuously. Okay, children. Otherwise, we can't live. Okay. Without air, we cannot live. but it is invisible, but we cannot see the air, but we can feel the air. Okay, so why we can't see the air? It has no color, that's why we cannot see the air, but we can feel the air, no children, but we can feel the air during winter season. While coming to school, cool breezes touch the body, no children, so we feel the air, we feel the air. Switch on your fan. Okay, switch on your fan or table fan. Sit in front of the table fan. How can you feel? How can you feel? We feel the air. Okay, children. Okay, kites are flying, birds are flying. Okay, tree branches are moving because of the air. Because of the air. Okay, na. So air is everywhere. So is it empty, Amma? Is this glass empty? Is this cover empty? Is this cover empty? Yes, you can say empty, but these are also filled with air. This cover is full of air. This glass is also full of air. Okay, now all the things around us full of air. Okay, children. Okay. Yes. Come on. Okay, take a cardboard or a book. Take a cardboard or book like this. Okay, fan yourself with the cardboard or book. Fan yourself. Fan yourself with the cardboard or one small book. Okay, what do you feel? What do you feel? We feel air. We feel air. Okay, children. So fan yourself with the cardboard or book, amma. What do you feel? We feel, yes, we feel the air, but we cannot see the air. Okay, did you feel when moving the book or paper or cardboard? Yes. How did you feel? Yes, we feel air. We feel the air. Okay. So winter season, while coming to school, cool breezes touch the body, no children? Yes, we feel the air. While going to or while traveling anywhere, okay, in a bus or train, okay, our hair is moving, clothes are also moving, okay, tree branches also moving because of the air. Because of the air. So air is everywhere. Air is all around us. We cannot live without air. We can feel the air, but we can't see the air. So what does air contain? What does air contain, Amma? See, air is all around us. Air has no color, no smell or taste. So it cannot be seen, but we can feel the air. Okay, it cannot be seen, but we can feel the air when it moves, the book. Okay, so it is necessary for life. All living things need air to breathe. All living things need air to breathe. We get air from the plants. That's why you grow more plants. Plants provide us oxygen. Plants give us air, means oxygen. Okay, all living things get air from our surroundings. Okay, so what does air contains? Air contains smoke, dust particles and also water vapor. Okay, now so air contains water vapor. Come on, keep your finger near the nostrils. Keep your finger near the nostrils. Close your eyes. Come on, keep concentration on your breathing. Hot air is coming from our body. Okay, we are all breathe out water vapor and carbon dioxide. Okay, those are enter into the air. Okay, so after washing clothes, your mother also keep the clothes under the sun, no children. The water present in the clothes change into water vapor. Okay, so water vapor present in the air. We also breathe out water vapor. That water vapor mix into the air. So air contains water vapor and smoke. All the vehicles release black smoke, no? That smoke mix into the air. Okay, and when we sweep the floor or roads, so much of dust rises up, no children? Yes, so air contains water vapor, dust particles and smoke. And also air occupies the space. Okay. So why these balloons are different sizes? Because of the air. It has a little air, it has more air. That balloon has more air. Okay na? If I blow air into the balloon, if I blow more and more, the balloon becomes bigger and bigger. Why it becomes bigger and bigger? Because there is more air inside the balloon. Okay. Why does it become bigger and bigger? What is there inside the balloon? Inside the balloon there is a air. So air occupies some space inside the balloon. Okay children? So air is everywhere. Air is all around us. We need air continuously for breathing. All living things need air for breathing. Without air we cannot live. We can feel the air, but we cannot see the air. We can feel the air. Yes, you too do like this. Wait, we feel the air. Yes, we feel the air. Okay now. And take a cardboard or a book, fan yourself. Definitely we can feel the air. Okay children. Air contains water vapor, dust particles and smoke. All the vehicles release black smoke that is mixed into the air. When we sweep the floor or roads or when the vehicles are moving, so much of dust particles rises up into the air. Okay, air also contains water vapor. Okay children, today we have to read the textbook. Okay. Bye. Take care. Have a good day.